Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to verify by a geometric argument that the largest possible choice of delta for showing that the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared is equal to 9 is delta is equal to the square root of 9 plus epsilon minus 3. So the way that we're going to do this is first to write out the precise definition of a limit, which states that the limit as x approaches a of f of x equals L if for every epsilon greater than 0, there's a delta greater than 0 such that if the absolute value of x minus a is less than delta, then the absolute value of f of x minus L is less than epsilon. Plugging in the values for this particular problem, this is saying if x minus 3 is less than delta, then the absolute value of f of x is x squared minus L is 9 is less than epsilon. And what we're going to do is we're not going to do this using the traditional way that we've been solving these problems. We're going to say, okay, let's take this. We have the absolute value of x squared minus 9 is less than epsilon. This means that x squared minus 9 is less than epsilon. It's greater than negative epsilon. Adding 9. We have x squared is less than 9 plus epsilon. And it's greater than 9 minus epsilon. Take the square root. Square root of 9 minus epsilon is less than the square root of x squared is just x, is less than the square root of 9 plus epsilon. And if we want to subtract 3, we can do that to these. And we have that x minus 3 is greater than the square root of 9 minus epsilon minus 3, and it's less than the square root of 9 plus epsilon minus 3. This means that the absolute value of x minus 3 is less than the square root of 9 plus epsilon minus 3. Right? This is the largest magnitude, right? The largest absolute value in this range. So any of the absolute values of any of the points in that range are less than this value. Therefore, we have x minus 3, absolute value of x minus 3 is less than this, and absolute value of x minus 3 is less than delta. Therefore, we can say that delta equals the square root of 9 plus epsilon minus 3.